Hi, dear lovely children. Our today's topic is subtracting two digit numbers with borrowing. And let's take some examples. We have 76 and 38. We'll subtract 38 from 76. As we have already done the steps, we'll follow them. That is, we'll write the bigger number above and the smaller number under it. Now we'll start with ones column. And children, how to do the borrowing? It is very simple to know whether we need to borrow digit in the sum or not. As here you can see 6 and 8. Can we subtract 8 from 6? No. So we need to make it bigger than 8. And how to make it? It is very simple and we have done it. We'll make it 16. And how can we make it 16? By taking 1 from tens column. So we'll write here 6. This 7 becomes 6 and this 6 becomes 16. Now we'll keep 16 in mind and 8 on fingers and backward counting. So we get 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, then comes 10, 9 and 8. So here comes 8. Now our tens digit. Here is 6. 6 in mind and 3 on fingers. Backward counting, 3 steps will come down. So comes 5, 4 and 3. Here comes 3. So the difference is 38. Now let's take our second example. 34 minus 17. Again 34 minus 17. Here you can see 4 is smaller than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we'll make it bigger than 7. And how we'll make it? By taking one digit from tens column. So it is very simple. Here we'll cross it and here 3 minus 1 is 2 and here comes 14. Now 14 in mind and 7 on finger and we'll come 7 steps down, means with the help of backward counting. So here comes 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and comes 7. So here we'll write 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now tens column. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now our third example is 92 minus 35. And again 92 is here and 35 is here. So again we need to borrow one digit from tens column so that it can become 12. Now we'll cross this 2 and it becomes 12. Now 12 in mind and 5 on fingers. So we get here 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. So here comes 7 and this 9 becomes 8. So 8 in mind and 3 on fingers comes 7, 6 and 5. So here comes 5. And the last example is 54 minus 37. So again we'll borrow 1 from tens column. So here this 5 becomes 4 and this 4 becomes 14, and 14 in mind and 7 on fingers. Here we have 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. Now here 4 in mind and 3 on finger. Very good. It comes 1. I hope you have understood how to do the subtraction without borrowing.